Hello viewers, in this video I will show how to fix WhatsApp profile information connecting problem. Okay, now you can see your problems here. Now fix it. Okay, solve this problem. Follow my all steps. First of all, go to your Play Store. Click on Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Click on this. Now you can see my WhatsApp already updated. Now back to home screen and go to settings. Now scroll down. Click on apps. Click on search bar. Search for WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp. Now scroll down. Click on storage. Now click on clear cache. Now back. Click on permissions. Enable all permissions. Now back. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Now back to home screen and click on flight mode off, on and off. Now power off your phone. Then after power on your phone, now check your problem solved. I hope your problem solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.